Yes.
So basically, what just happened, we used an air compressor to blow out the drain hose for the refrigeration system. Here we're testing the drain with water, making sure the passage is clear. The drain gets clogged from time to time from dust, so sometimes you have to get in there and do some dirty work. I'm definitely not an expert on the refrigeration side of things, so often I defer to an authorized refrigeration tech for help to come in and fix things. Just a small restock after the dirty work. Quick and easy. Yeah, machine man do machine things.